Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike.
When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Less guy on YouTube.
Hey everyone, I am back with another corn harvest video from the 2022 season. This one, I am out in a field near Rankin, Illinois, and in this video, you're going to see a family farm here harvesting their 2022 crop with their John Deere S680 combine with a John Deere 612C, that's a 12-row corn head. Running beside the combine is their new Holland T8 350 tractor pulling a Kinze 1050 grain cart. This is my third and final video from this area on this Saturday afternoon. I filmed this on October 22nd. As you can see, it was a beautiful fall day here, a little bit windy. The other two videos I did in this area I already posted. I'll put the links to those at the end of this one. But those videos were, and just running in the field south of here, and you could actually see this combine and grain cart in the background of that video was a John Deere combine with a 6-row corn head, and running beside that was a John Deere 4850 tractor pulling a Deere 400 grain cart. Like I said, that video is already up on my channel, and then a few miles south of here, I did another video with a Fendt Ideal 8 combine with a Macdon 50-foot flex draper head. So like I said, I'll put those videos to the end of this one so you can see them if you've not seen them, and they were all done within a couple miles of each other on this nice fall day. And looking down in the tank of this combine, looks like he's got this thing fine-tuned. Looks like a nice clean sample of corn. And it looks like pretty decent corn. I know when I do a lot of these videos, people ask me what the yield is, what the moisture is, and so forth. I don't normally ask farmers that information when I'm out here doing these videos. A lot of guys don't like to share that, so I normally just don't ask people what their yields are, how many acres they farm, and stuff like that. So with that said, I got a lot of great drone shots, different angles of this tractor, grain cart, combine in action. Got a few on the ground shots, so let's listen to this machinery, get the job done here in Illinois. And that's going to do it for this video. If you did like this video, please go down there, hit that like button, and feel free to comment below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button. And of course, check back often. I still have a ton of farming content from the last season to get edited and up here on my YouTube channel. So now that winter's here, things slowing down a little bit, I should hopefully be able to catch up on some of my editing. And of course, if you want to see more of what I'm doing, what I'm out in the field with filming and so forth, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.